We will fix Maya's repetitive story. Notice how strange it sounds when we repeat names too many times. We will click highlighted names to replace them with personal pronouns. Now, pause the video and comment below the correct answer where we can replace names with pronoun. Okay, let's see. Pasang out of early in the morning in Kathmandu. Okay, very good. He called his sister Maya. Pasang and Maya went to school together. Very good. They went to school together. The teacher gave Pasang and Maya a golden star. Very good. The teacher gave them a golden star. Okay. Replacing repetitive names with he, his, they, and them makes the story sound natural. Okay. Male singular pronoun, subject he, object him. Okay, look. Ram is a boy and he is used in subject and him is used in object. For example, he is reading a book. Sita called him. Now, female singular pronoun, in subject we use she and in object her. Okay, she. Sita is a god and in subject we use she and in object we use her as a pronoun. For example, she sings a song, Ram listen to her. Now, third one, for animal or any object, both subjective pronoun and objective pronoun are it. For example, it lives in Chitun, we protected it. Speaker group, in subject we use we and in object we use us. For example, we are playing football, the coach helped us. Now, plural group, in subject we use they, in object we use them. For example, they are climbing hills, we guided them. Now, first person, in subject we use I and in object we use me. For example, I am studying English, you taught me. Now, subject PS object pronoun rules. Personal pronouns change depending on whether they do the action or receive the action. For example, first person speaker. In subject pronoun I or we is used before verb, but in object pronoun me and yes used after verb. Second person or listener, both subjective pronoun and objective pronoun are you. Third person, for male, he, him. For female, she, her. And for animal and things, it and it. For third person, plural, we use they and them. Subject pronoun does the action. For example, he kicked the ball, but object pronoun receives the action. For example, the ball hit him. Okay. Now we will do the exercise. Susan and Maya are rowing a boat on Fair Lake. Susan and Maya love Pokhara. Now pause the video and comment the correct answer below. Very good. They visit Thewa Lake every festival. Okay, now second scenario. Teacher is praising Arab for his good homework. Arab wrote a fine story. The teacher rewarded. Pause and comment below. Very good. Him with a blue pen. Okay. Ramesh lost his key. Blah blah. Search for it everywhere. Again, comment below. Very good. He searched for it everywhere. Now, next question. My mother baked a cake for my brother and what? Comment below. Me. Very good. Next question. The elephant is big, blah blah, has large ears. What's the correct answer? Very good. It has large ears. Now, next question. The teacher welcomed all of blah blah into the new classroom. Very good. Us into the new classroom. Congratulations for finishing this chapter.